Every sunrise brings opportunity, but only those who see beyond the horizon build the future. At Legacy Sphere Group, our mission is simple yet powerful: to build prosperity that stands the test of time. We invest in high-quality real estate ventures, guided by 3 timeless principles: insight, strategy, and execution. Our insight identifies potential. Our strategy minimizes risk. Our execution brings vision to life. And now, through the Legacy Sphere Masterclass, we're sharing the same knowledge that drives our success, helping individuals like you take control of their financial destiny. Together, we're not just shaping properties, we're shaping the future of generational wealth. Become a legacy partner today. Let's build your legacy, one investment at a time. Legacy Sphere Group. Create your own legacy.